Okay, now finally what we want to do is pull all the different bits and pieces of our program together as individual methods into one complete program. So we can at the moment insert money into the program, so checking out the balance, randomly choose the fruit, calculate our winnings, play a complete round of the game, which basically does parts 2 and 3, and then finish the game, and ask if you want to play again. So now we're going to pull this together in program. So essentially what we're going to do is let's write this in the main method. So let's think about it logically, what we need to do. So first up we need to set the balance. Play around. Ask if to play again. And that play around, indirectly that selects fruit and calculates winnings. Now, from this, what we're going to actually do is get these, after we've set the balance, we're going to loop this part. Loop, play around, so long as that play again actually sort of works. So let's get this running. So I'm going to set the balance. Okay. See it. Okay, don't want to set the balance there. So let's play a single round. So I'm going to run a single round, and then let's ask if we want to play again. And let's try it again, because remember that play again gives us a boolean. So if play again equals true, what are we going to do? We're going to play another single round. So we're just thinking about what logically needs to happen. So let's try this. Set the balance to $3. Okay, yep. Assume that's correct. I'm just going to assume these are. Okay, cool. I won. So let's say I want to play again. Yes. Didn't get anything that time. Balance is full. Oh, it's finished. Okay. Maybe it's because I've got a if statement here. So let's try changing it to a while and see what happens. Remember, I should be putting this testing as we go. So let's put in $3. Yeah, it's correct. Got a mango. Yes. 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 And it's finished. Good. So that's actually working. So let's actually go and put in a bit of our combining and testing. Okay, I'm going to just put a note. Modified if statement to a while. No, and now it's working. Until no money left. Okay, so that's all working, seems to be working perfectly. But I don't actually have any nice messages. So let's get some console.writelines. And let's just say so you probably want to spend a bit of time making this look all nice and setting it out well. Oh, that should be p.balance. And a little goodbye message. So let's run this. Test it, see if it works. Yeah. Okay, I'm lost. I'm going to play again. No, I don't. And it lets me actually quit. So I've now got a complete working program. So my test description, play game and stop with money. Yes, and then eventually a no. Please and lets me quit, and there's no changes. Now, what I might do is take this and modify it, make it a bit more efficient, rather than have all this information in the main method. Let's cut it out and create a new method called play. Or we could call it run or something like that. Now remember, when I actually create these instances, I don't need to have the P in front of them. So I'm just going to go and modify that, because I can call the methods directly. And now, up here, to play it, p.play. Let's just test it, see if it works. $2, yes. Okay, and we seem to be working. And it gives me that nice message when we finish. So, that is now a complete program. So let's add last bit of testing. Just got a full test, I should fill out those other comments. Final outcome, so I might want to give this to another person, see if they can use it without me actually helping them at all, and then make any improvements for this. And fitness for purpose, so I might check my spelling. And let's say probability. House wins. Yep. What works? Any comments if I need to. And then there's just some social questions. Copyright, suitable for the target audience, outcome. So obviously this is a bit of a gambling one, so making sure it's ethically appropriate and socially appropriate. You're not fleecing people. The fact that you limit the amount of money they're able to play. Okay, and then obviously all of our testing and making it work. And then we've got a complete project. So what you do is then include your finished source code. So before that component testing, we've got a completed source code section, copy that code, add it in, and we are done. And it's submitting this document file and your finished program and any other versions that you've developed as you go.